Hello Red Devils, MUS Legend here and I'm back again with another video. So Aaron Wan-Bissaka is close to joining Manchester United. So Sky Sports News, talks are progressing and Manchester United are hopeful of securing a £50 million deal soon, according to Sky Sports. So here he is, Aaron Wan-Bissaka, the Crystal Palace right back. So Wan-Bissaka could undergo a medical at Manchester United in the next 24 hours, with United having made progress in the bid to sign the Crystal Palace right back. The defender will cost £45 million plus £5 million based on add-ons, which I think is a relatively decent fee. So he's expected to sign a long-term contract at Old Trafford and would become Solskjaer's second signing of the summer, following the addition of Daniel James from Swansea City. So there he is. So the England under-21 defender will be United's fourth most expensive signing of all time behind Pogba, Lukaku and Angel Di Maria. Wan-Bissaka had 3 years remaining on his contract at Selhurst Park and featured 39 times in all competitions last season as Palace finished 12th in the Premier League. So Solskjaer was keen to bring in a right back this summer following the departure of Antonio Valencia. So Aaron Wan-Bissaka to Manchester United is happening. £50 million deal in total, which, I think is a good deal. £50 million is a good deal for both parties. Aaron Wan-Bissaka was one of the best right backs last season alongside Trent Alexander-Arnold and Kyle Walker. So Wan-Bissaka, I'm really happy that Man United have finally signed a right back who can play right back, and give competition to Dalot and not play Ashley Young anymore. I can't bear to see Ashley Young play right back for us. So Aaron Wan-Bissaka to Manchester United, we could have a medical soon. He could be a Manchester United player in the next 24 hours. So obviously, I'll keep you updated. MUS Legend, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.